Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karthik and this is Goa Part 2. If you haven't already checked out Part 1, you can click on the iCard above and watch it before or after this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let's get started. So good morning guys, this is day 3 of my Goa trip and today we are going to check out of this beautiful property and we are going to a new hostel. The hostel is called the Red Door Hostel, which is also in Anjuna. So I'll show you guys it in a few moments. Today's plan is to go to the extreme north of Goa, that is Arambol and what is the other one? Morgim Beach. I've heard that Morgim Beach has the best sunset in the entire Goa. So bro, क्या हाल है?
साउथ गोवा में तो मज़ा नहीं आया, देखते नॉर्थ गोवा में आएगा कि नहीं.
So how has your Goa trip been so far?
इट्स बीन नाइस. थोड़ा मतलब गोवा में पावर का बहुत लोचा है, हर दिन पावर कट हो रहा है. तो देखते हैं आज, अभी तक तो चिल जा रहा है, देखते हैं रेस्ट ऑफ द डे कैसे जाएगा.
So guys, we've checked into the new hostel and this is the view from our room. बहुत सही है. This is called the Red Door Hostel and वहाँ पे रिसेप्शन है और बाकी के रूम्स भी वहीं पे है. We've got a special room, separate एक विला की तरह है. I'll just show you guys the dorm inside. So this is how the dorm looks. Yeah, it's a pretty decent room. And this is where we are going to stay for the next 2 days. यहीं पे रहने वाले हम लोग. और अभी जल्दी ओह सन तो अभी हम लोग जल्दी से लंच करके वी आर लीविंग फॉर आरम्बोल. वहाँ से देखते हैं क्या होता है. Guys, excited?
Yes.
Cool guys. So guys, we are here. आरम्बोल बीच पे आ चुके हैं हम लोग. Finally आज के दिन हम लोग पानी में उतरने वाले हैं. I'll take a few shots क्योंकि वैसे भी GoPro है, waterproof. Thumbs up for that. It's slightly crowded. बागा और कैलंगुट जितना crowd बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. It's like even just 20% of it. Like देखिए आपको दिखाता हूँ. It's a nice beach. Crowd, moderate crowd है. So yeah, let's explore the beach. थोड़ा पानी में कूदते हैं. Let's have some fun. फाइनली हम जा रहे हैं पानी में कूदने के लिए. लेट्स गो. After having a fun time on the beach, we then went on to find a sweet water lake that was somewhere around. Although we never really found it, but we somehow happened to stumble upon this crazy beachside bonfire party that was going on. सो गाइज़ अभी हम आ चुके हैं लूनाज रेस्टोरेंट पे. हम लोग कल भी आए थे बेसिकली, बट completely packed था because of Holi and stuff. I'll tell you one thing, expensive तो है, and but I've heard कि pure proper Italian food मिलता है यहाँ पे, so we've come out to try. अभी एक्चुअली लाउड म्यूज़िक बज रहा था, बीच में गैप मिला तो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. देखिए फिर से स्टार्ट हो गया, but yeah, I'll let you guys know how the food over here is. So we'll see.
A flower bending in the breeze. Bear with me, sway with ease. When we dance, you have a way with me. Stay with me, sway with me.
Quick note, this place is definitely not for someone who loves desi food, because the food over here is quite bland. So if you're planning on visiting this place, keep that in mind.
So hey guys, good morning again. Day 4, 3, I don't even know. But this is our last day in Goa. And welcome from Red Door Hostel. अभी मैं बहुत लेट हो चुका हूँ, मेरे दोस्त लोग सब निकल चुके हैं. So we are going to North Goa again today. And we'll be visiting Morgim and Arambol today. हो गया? Ready है bro? Ready?
Hi bro.
So yeah, I am fucking late. Everyone else has gone. So we'll be exploring and doing some shopping in Arambol क्योंकि कल हम लोगों ने उधर बहुत ही अच्छा मार्केट देखा वहाँ पे. So yeah, let's go. अब देखो, अभी नहा के आया हूँ मैं and I'm in a hurry right now. So I'll catch you guys in the breakfast spot और lunch कर रहे हैं पता नहीं अभी. So I'll see you guys in the next shot.
Before going to Arambol, we stopped to grab a quick bite at this amazing place known as George's Bakery, which is located in Vagator. You will be in for some freshly baked croissant, donuts and amazing other stuff. I definitely recommend this place if you are looking for something different, yet something that is light on your pocket.
So guys, अभी हम आ चुके हैं बर्गर फैक्ट्री. Guess what? हम कल भी आने को ट्राई कर रहे थे बट इट वॉज जैम पैक्ड टुडे एज वेल. लिटरली अभी हमारा 1 आवर का वेटिंग टाइम है. 1 आवर. जस्ट लुक एट द क्राउड गाइस. इट्स फ्रिकिंग पैक्ड, जैम पैक्ड प्लेस. आई मीन बहुत ही फेमस जगह है, सो ऑफ कोर्स इट हैज़ टू बी पैक्ड. एंड एक बहुत ही सही बीच व्यू भी मिलता है इधर से. सो आई विल शो यू गाइस दैट इन अ मोमेंट. बट या it is crazy and we'll see if the food lives up to the hype or not. I'll let you guys know.
Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you?
So guys, we are done eating at the burger factory. Honestly, मैं उसको 3.5 दूंगा आउट ऑफ 5 क्योंकि मेरे को उतना खास नहीं लगा बर्गर और मेरे दोस्तों को थोड़ा अच्छा लगा. बट इट्स लाइक बेसिकली नॉट दैट गुड. एंड मैकडोनल्ड्स का बर्गर मेरे को बेटर लगता है इससे. इट्स जस्ट माई ओपिनियन. अगर आपको आना है आ सकते हो. इट्स लाइक द वन ऑफ द हाइप्ड अप प्लेसेस in Goa. So yeah, you can come here, you can enjoy the view, have a mediocre burger probably, and have fun guys. We've come down to Ashwem Beach now. I mean, it's a lot less crowded than Arambol and other beaches we've been to. Or chill hai vibe ekdam. And this is probably our last sunset in Goa. So yeah, we're just enjoying the sunset and having a chill time. पता नहीं फिर कब आएंगे नहीं आएंगे. For now I'll try to enjoy this view.
I will carry you home. I will carry you home. When you got nowhere to go, I need you to know I will carry you home. I will carry you home.
So guys, we've made a new friend over here. Say hello. Kiro. इज्जत ही नहीं है bro. Hello. You know what? I don't think dogs like cameras because I had a dog who would never look into the camera. My friend over here seems to be the same. So, hey guys, this is my last day in Goa. अभी हम 2-3 घंटे में निकलने वाले हैं गोवा से. But before going, I just wanted to come and take a look at the beach one last time. अभी हम आए हैं ओजरान बीच, जो मैं पहले जब एंटर हुआ था गोवा तब आया था. But I couldn't vlog it क्योंकि कैमरा लेके नहीं आया था मैं. But here's how Ozran Beach looks like. It's a really nice beach. कि हम लोग ने इससे पहले भी बहुत सारे बीचेस गए हुए हैं हम लोग, but we feel like this is the best place to chill in North Goa. So yeah, you guys can come here. It is not very crowded and it is not very known, I guess. So yeah, you guys can come, take a shack and just chill like us. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Goa trip of mine. If you guys did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios,
Even
amigos.
within my